about to scoop hash. That's my little boo thing. Pretty brown skin nigga and she not loopy.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you guys, and I hope you're excited as much as I am excited because I've been waiting for this for a whole week to come. A whole week, and maybe it might change your life, maybe it might not, depending. And we're gonna get right into it. This is the package. Not too heavy, but I'm pretty sure you guys already know what it's gonna be. What it's gonna be. We never follow directions on how to open a package at all. And I've been waiting for a week, like I said, for these to come, and I got the Holistic Guide to Wellness. And then I also have another book, which is Home Epic. Hello? 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 Oh. Can you hold on 1 second, please? And the Forgotten. You see that? And it's still in the paper wrap. Let's just open it and see what it has in store for us. Like, this is something that I got off a TikTok shop. Been seeing this all on TikTok shop about these books and all this stuff. I am not a doctor, and I am not convincing anybody to do anything. So please, I am just trying to better myself and my health, and not only my health, but my children's health as well. So we're gonna get right into this. I'm gonna show you a few pages in this book, and we're gonna get right into it. So this is the Holistic Guide to Wellness. So this is what the inside looks like. And I can't wait to get into this one as much as this one. I heard this one is more like that helps you as well as this one, but this is like pharmacy type of stuff without the pharmacy type of stuff, if that makes sense. And this is what this looks like inside, just to show you guys a few things. Please do not mind my little small children. They're 1 and 2, and they're all over the place right now. But yes, these books I'm super excited for, and I'm gonna dive into these tonight. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this short unboxing. I would have showed you guys some other stuff, but I have no other stuff besides the light I'm using is also from the TikTok shop, and the stand I'm using, the little tripod as well, is from the TikTok shop too. Like, everything so far is from the TikTok shop, and TikTok shop has some fire stuff. And I'm gonna order some more stuff, like some other things, and I will do an unboxing on those too. So you guys stay tuned, because your girl is gonna be back with more and more and more and more videos for you guys to enjoy and love. And I can't wait to show you guys everything that's in store. Make sure you guys check out my shorts video on my little fragrance, going to make a fragrance, which is like a candle spot we have in my city. And I want you guys to go check that out as well. We'll put the link down below for you guys to check that out. And you guys tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you guys enjoy so I can get into the groove. And do you like my little pink pajama set? Little Snoopy. Can you see that? Snoop, 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 Snoop. And I got this from Marshalls. So you guys stay tuned, and I can't wait to give you guys the goodness. Bye.